Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'll be accessorizing this Barbie camper, and I just got it a few seconds ago because I'm recording. Look at this, I love it. See all the accessorizes and even on the back. Now let's get opening. Let's start opening. Wow, this is so cool. Now I get to really unbox it. So look at all these accessories. Whoa, here's the car and here's Chelsea. And see on the back, it can open and just, there we go. See, driving wheel. Now I can take her out, and her hair looks so pretty. She has a little picture of the camper on her shirt. Little suitcase and it has a little red heart, which you really can't see. It's red too. Okay, let me put that in the back of her car in case if she needs to go on a trip. And look, we have some little s'mores. Nom 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 nom, so good. Okay, here are the s'mores. Here we have a little boiling cup, and I would never boil a puppy. Because no puppy can't be paint. I said that. And next, she's a little cute husky. And here we have our guitar, which you can play. Okay, let's put this aside. Tape. Now let's take the camper out. This is my favorite part. So, whoa, look at all this space. There's so much space. Gotta get that in. And look, it has a little puppy door. Up and pull. Let me. Here we have some little tables. Let's put those here. We'll put it like this. Let's put this right here. And these little chairs over there. I thought they were tables, but they're chairs. And let me put the marshmallows and the guitar and the drinks. They're very, very tiny. Aww, so cute. I didn't actually put it in my mouth because that would be gross. And so let me put these juices over here. Sit on the chair. Nothing more. Oh yeah, there's one more thing. Here's a little blinky. Let's put that aside and put it right over there. Okay. I set it up, the whole set, and I put the ladder on the car, and she's playing her guitar. Yeah, 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 yeah. And look, we put all the stickers in it. And I'll show you where the stickers. Here are the stickers. There are some things cool. I like that the camper is so accessorized, and I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you can see all of my future videos. Bye.